We didn't think much about it. All we were worried about is getting our electricity back. It wasn't until later we learned all the damage was done. He had no trouble, State Farm, Trent Fairfield, and his office manager, Allison, and working with Taylor from Kelley. And we went through the whole process in a matter of days. I called Kelley and they came right out. And we contacted State Farm. They sent their agent, well, actually adjuster, who worked with Kelley people looking over the damages. Well, I would give them the highest marks you can give them, because just look at the job that they did. Look at the roof, look at the gutters, look at the downspouts, look at everything, how quickly they took care of things. I would recommend Trent Fairfield, and I would recommend Kelley.